Hello judges, and welcome to our hack Roominate.
Do any of these things apply to you? ADHD and can never stick in your task, always procrastinating, can never complete anything. Do you want structure to break down your task so it feels overwhelming, or too many ongoing tasks at the same time and you lose track of everything? We have the solution. Our hack helps people with chronic procrastination or ADHD manage and complete tasks with a gamified system.
Thinking of how to best build a cognitive tool, we draw our design pattern based on scientific research. Human memory and cognitive load are limited, but thanks to spatial metaphor, we can leverage memory palettes and visual landmarks to navigate our tasks on physical objects and spaces. And we use AI-assisted task breakdown to reduce cognitive load of remembering each task. In terms of motivation, we leverage gamification to provide incentives and reward systems to track their progress. We use objects to provide tangible sense of a progress and also an AI agent to provide more dynamic interactions.
So now looking at the user flow, you'd begin by locating a task. And in a way, you'd be navigating to a room location and clicking on a potential spot. Here, you would then go to do your task input and breakdown. So here there are two different routes. You could input your task description and manually create a to-do list of steps that would occur during this task, or you could use our AI parsing feature that would generate a list of steps for you, and you could check and select a final to-do list from those generated steps. Lastly, you have the object shape created. Then we have task tracking, where you can mark complete on each step once completing it. Slowly, you'll fill up a percentage of that task and eventually completing the entire thing, filling it 100%. And at this point, you're able to unlock more rooms and decorate a room with more objects, and this leads into habit forming.
And we built this application with both human and agent interaction in consideration. We have fast API and MCP API provider. They're all connected to our Chroma database, and they're also connected to the Python backend. And then we send the request to the Open Router and to Cloud. And this enabled the AI and agentic interaction. And now let's move on to the demo.
Here we can see our main game here. You can click on one of the blank furniture spots to create a new task. Here you can input your task name, CalHack's project, for example. I need to design and create a project in 36 hours for a hackathon. And we can click Generate Steps with AI, and it automatically fills in different steps to help you break down your task. We can click Save Task, which then pulls up a screen where you can pick which furniture you want to put here once it's finished. Now to view your task, you click on the exclamation point where your task is, and you can see all the different steps. As you check off different steps, you fill in the task progress, and once you complete the task, your furniture item appears, and you can decorate your space. As you complete more tasks, you can unlock more rooms to fill in even more tasks and to decorate even more.
And as you can see here with this example task, what will happen is I'll save this task, I will give it a type, and as you can see, your assistant cat will generate comments based on the tasks you created, the tasks you completed, and kind of be like your little assistant on the way through. Now, also, if you come down over here, you can see there's another assistant, Mr. Cow, and he is a little bit more rude. So as you can see, could you be any lazier? So he commented on the fact that my example task wasn't very productive. So moving on our way back up here, and that is our hack.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, could you just stitch those together?